Right, so that's where we're heading. Preparation, prime, Raptor, the inner wings. But this is where we're at now. It still looks a bit minging, doesn't it, to be honest. So we've got a few finishing touches to do before any paint goes anywhere near it again. It's all fiddly bits. I'll take it down now and show you, and we're just going to jump straight into it then and get it done. So one of the things I've noticed is an inter-spot weld up here on the front piece that I've put on. So we're going to drill an hole now and get a spot weld in that as well, while we're just filling these little pinholes in. It's done that way then. We've got that. Let's set the welder up, get these done. That's the welding bit out of the way, then we can do away with welder. That done. I'll just fill these little pinholes in down here. Right, so that's that all done, that's welded. So all we need to do now is grind them down. One job off the list. Get them ground down, then we're going to rub this down. And then we're going to seal the two top pieces and round the strut towers. Right, now the welding's done, that needs to be done, we're going to rub it all down with 500 to get all them bits out from the first time we did it. So basically that's what we've got to do all over it. So what I'll do is I'll come back again when it's all rubbed down, and then we'll get to sealing it. But it's coming up pretty smooth, to say the bits when I sprayed it flew out of the front panel and went everywhere. I thought it was going to be a lot worse to rub down. So it shouldn't take me that long. So I'll be back very shortly. Right, that's it all rubbed down. I've got to pick the worst day ever to do rubbing down. I have been sweating like mad. I bet I could rinse this t-shirt out. So what we're going to do now is blow it all off. Then we're going to mask it up, ready for sealing where it wants the sealant. And I've got a little bit more filling to do, but we can do that once that's dried. I need to get the sealant in and out of the way now. But we're very close now to getting it actually primed again, and the inner wings in Raptor. So let's blow it off. Just going to let it settle, and then we'll blow it off again, because I want to get inside, like I say, all these bits. Otherwise we could end up with the same problem that we had the last time, and I really don't want that, because I don't want to have to be priming the engine bay again. Right, so now guys, we're going to mask it up the best that we can around these areas, ready for sealant. We'll do the same on the other side, so I'll come back to you once I've got that side done. Right, let's get a bit on. I'll be glad when I get it done today. I am, got to be honest, I feel like crap with this heat. Stop sweating. Right, sorry about that, it cut off as I was sealing it, but you don't really need to see all that anyway, you know what that is. But I'm going to show you what I've got done. I have rubbed all the filler down, and I've started cleaning that inner, well, I've cleaned the inner wing up as good as it's going to get, so I'll show you. I mean, look how hot it is. I'm soaked with sweat. The filler's going off quicker than I can put it on. So it's all sealed in this corner and round the strut. Same this one, and I want to put a bit of filler in there. There's just a little lump, so I might as well put a bit in while it's at the stage that it is. I want to put a little bit in there, and on the tops here. That's all been cleaned down. That took absolutely forever to get that like wax oil stuff off, but it's off now. So now I'm just waiting for the etch primer to dry that put on, so I can seal behind the front balance bit here, and then basically we can blow it all off, wipe it all down, prime the whole front in the engine bay, the inner wings, with epoxy primer. Then once that's dry, mask all the engine bay up, then do the inner wings and the bottom of the sills. And I'm going to do them in Raptor as well. Not coming up, just the lip, so that it protects it. So yeah, that's what we're on with. So I'll be back basically when everything's set. Oh no, we're going to put a bit of filler in first now, in these bits that we need. So let's get it mixed up, get it in, and then it can be drying. Right, I've mixed a bit. I've only put a bit of hardener in because, like I say, the heat, but whether it'll go off or not, I don't know. We'll see. That's it, that's all we need in there. So we're going to jump to the front. So I just want to put a bit on this corner, if it hasn't gone off. That'll do, we'll rub it down. Want a piece on this balance down here. Right, so that's all we need in, so we're going to let it dry off. I'll rub it down and then I'll come back to you guys basically when we're ready to prime it. Right, so that's it, the bits of filling done again at the front, rubbed down. So what we're going to do now is blow it all off. I've masked all round the underside and down the sills so that we can get the Raptor on the sills. Plus we'll also put a bit of epoxy primer underneath as well. So yeah, we'll blow it off now. Then I'm going to wipe it down, mix paint, get it all in primer, let it dry, and then mask up what we don't want to get any Raptor on, and then do all the front in Raptor, both sides and under the sill. So let's get straight on with it. Right, so we're going to get it wiped down once dust settles. Yeah! Second time lucky. Bolt goes wrong. I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably cry. So let's crack on. Right, I'm just going to wipe the inner wings down and we'll get it in paint. What we're going to do this time is start and do the front in case it does throw any crap about again. I'll notice it and I'll be able to blow it off. Right, too warm for this, too warm. Let's get some hardener in it. Like I say, we're going to try to start front this time. If camera cuts off, guys, it's because it's getting too hot with the heat. Let's get to it. Oh. Put lid on it first. Oh, you're good. Well, I'm going to climb on there and get the front first, guys. Right, let's get the front done. Right, sorry about that. Like I said, it's cut off again with the heat. It's all in primer again. This time there's no bits in it, which is good. I'll take you down and show you, but what we're going to have to do now is let it dry, and then we're going to have to mask up so that we can put the Raptor on the inner wings and under the sill. It's a lot cleaner finish. I mean, look down there now, it's a lot better. No dent, it's got a bit of a run there, but it's like I say, it's only primer. All inner wings done in epoxy primer, ready for stone chip. The horrendous side, that's all done, ready for stone chip, guys, and under the sill as well. So I'll be back when we're ready to mix the Raptor up and get it in Raptor what needs doing, And then that all the messy job's out of the way, then there's no more cleaning up anything on the body of the car or out, it's all done. Could sweat on me. So yeah. Right, we're all masked up now, ready for the Raptor on the inner wings. So, well, the inner wings and under the sill. I was going to do the front cross member in the red, but it means masking it all up. So what I'm going to do is just do it with black stone chip, the paintable, the one that you can paint over, and do that at a later date. The main thing is get the inner wings done, because I've ordered the other wing. Well, I've had to actually buy two even though I've got one, because I couldn't get a left-hand side one on its own, so I've had to buy a set off a guy. So that'll be the next thing, putting the bonnet on, lining the wings up and welding the wings on. So it's all masked up. We're going to mix the Raptor now, yeah, and get it on. Right, so we're going to mix it same as it says, like we did last time. Make sure that's clean. Well, I should have my glasses on. Having much luck today, guys. Lid on, we're going to shake it. Do it the way they say. That's it, hard, isn't it? I'm going to shake it up and see what the colour's like before I put the rest in. I'm going to shake it up and then I'll come back to you when we're ready to put it on. Right guys, this is it. There you go, guys. Show you other side. Plenty of protection, and under the sills as well. So what I'm going to do is let it dry off, maybe get a couple of hours, guys. I'll come out, check the paper off, and we'll have a look at it all. We are going to have some that's gone into engine bay, but I ain't that bothered because that's epoxy primer. I'll probably be priming it again before I put colour on it, because obviously I'll rub it down again and everything else. This is just so we can get the wings on. So yeah, we'll unwrap it. Right, let's try get the paper, well, the plastic off before it dries, because I don't want it pulling out off. It's a bit wet still, but I want to see how much has gone on the engine bay anyway. Hardly any. Got a few bits, but that's it. Look at that. Cool. Right, so there we are, guys, it's done. Obviously we're going to be rubbing it down again when we come to put colour on in the engine bay, but all the inner wings are done. So now when the wings come, which they are on the way, we can start setting all the front end up and get the wings on. I'm excited about that. I only ever had one wing on, I've never seen it with both on. So I'll take it down and show you. All done, guys. That corner looks loads better. So does that one. And look at that. Oh, I've missed a bit there. Oh well, I'll have to touch it in with something. So yeah, guys, there you go. Done. That's going to be it for this episode. It has been a red hot week. It's took me all week. I'm soaked now. I need a shower. I've got to get this edited to go out for Sunday. Yeah, that's it. If you like the video, guys, please smash that like button, hype the video. Make sure to drop me a comment, and if you can, share it. Try and get it out to as many people as you can. I just need a little bit of help pushing this channel out. So I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I'll catch you all next week. Ta-ra now.